Hi, my name is Matt Kutz, and I'm a clinical professor at Florida International University. Contextual intelligence is a way that we interact with our environment by using three aspects of thinking: hindsight, insight, and foresight to make more informed and accurate decisions. 3D thinking is the integration of hindsight, insight, and foresight to make decisions based on three time orientations: the past, the present, and the future. Senior leaders can benefit from contextual intelligence by integrating 3D thinking. What 3D thinking does is it makes us aware of the biases and the experiences that are limiting what we see in the present and in the future. By using 3D thinking, we have a much clearer picture of what's in front of us. The agreement trust matrix is a critical piece of understanding contextual intelligence because it helps us identify the biases through which we see the world. All of us have biases, and the agreement trust matrix helps us identify the right people to have on our teams who will challenge those biases. My favorite example of contextual intelligence is when we are able to distinguish between the complex and the complicated. Most of the time when we're dealing with problems, we treat them as complicated when in fact they are complex. And one of the biggest problems we have in leadership is trying to solve complicated problems and complex problems interchangeably, and we can't do that. The best advice I can offer for senior leaders is to begin to practice 3D thinking as soon as possible. When we understand how the past is biasing what we see, we can actually see better in the present. And then when we understand how the future influences what we're looking at, it changes that as well. So by integrating 3D thinking into our everyday practices, we can practice contextual intelligence and make better decisions.